Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get AI ChatGPT widget to your HAFURY GT20. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Inside find an app called AI GPT Wally. Now we just need to find this app. It's right here, this one. Click on the install. When it's ready, you'll be able to open it. Move to the next step, then open permissions and allow display over the other apps for this Wally chat. Now we can go back and click on the start. Here you will see this icon floating around your screen. You can click on it to open your chat, ask anything and send the message. And if you want to close it, then simply move this icon to the bottom of the screen. Or if you have a problem that this X button doesn't go away, then simply move around this icon and it should be gone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.